It's AumSum time!
What if we could fly like an airplane?
No need. I am faster than an airplane.
Oh, AumSum. Firstly, if we could fly like an airplane, Superman may not like this. He may give up flying. Secondly, if we could fly like an airplane, catching thieves may prove to be almost impossible now. Thirdly, if we could fly like an airplane, birds may not like this. They may start taking driving lessons. Fourthly, if we could fly like an airplane, traffic cops may not be able to control the situation. They may leave for a different planet. Fifthly, if we could fly like an airplane, pilots will now have to look out for birds as well as humans. They may give up flying. Lastly, if we could fly like an airplane, aliens might never visit our planet again.
To buy AumSum merchandise, visit AumSum.com.
Why can we see our breath in the cold?
So that we can make weird shapes!
No. Our lungs help us to exchange gases. They're always moist and warm. Now when we breathe, we inhale oxygen-rich air and exhale carbon dioxide-rich air. However, as the lungs are warm and moist, the exhaled air is warm and has more moisture in the form of water vapor.
Really?
In cold months, when this warm and moist exhaled air comes in contact with the cool air, the moisture in the exhaled air condenses to form tiny water droplets. Thus, we can see these tiny water droplets as cloud or fog in our breath.
Why are flamingos pink?
Wait, I'll explain. A baby flamingo is not pink. It is actually born with gray feathers.
So does it spray paint itself with pink color?
No. Flamingos get their pink or orange color from their food, which is mainly algae and shrimps. These organisms contain carotenoids. Carotenoids are reddish-orange colored pigments. When a flamingo eats algae and shrimps, its liver extracts the colored pigments. The pigments are then absorbed by fats. These fats start depositing in the flamingo's growing feathers, which eventually cause the flamingo to turn pink or orange. Now, an interesting fact is that we also eat fruits that contain carotenoids, such as carrots, apricots, mangoes, etc. But we do not eat enough of these fruits for them to affect our skin color.